Your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 might record videos and photos perfectly, but if the naming management settings aren't set the way you like, your files can get messy and hard to find. Many users don't realize this can be customized. In this video, I'll show you how to change the naming management settings on your DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's change it right now. First, turn on your camera. Swipe down to bring the menu option. Now tap on the gear icon, scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap on the naming management option. Here you will get two options like folder name and file name. Folder name lets you set a prefix for the folders that are created on your micro SD card. And the file name lets you set a custom prefix for the video and photo files themselves. This can be very useful for organizing your footage, especially if you're using multiple cameras. The camera will then automatically add a sequential number to the end of the file name. By using these settings, you can ensure that your files are organized in a way that makes your post-production workflow much more efficient. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.